Hi, my name is Kim, and today I'm going to be doing a little art therapy. I'm using Liquitex Basics and the painting medium that you can get at Hobby Lobby. And Floetrol. You can get that at Lowe's. I mixed up the primary colors, primary blue, primary yellow, primary red, white, and black. So what I'm going to do now is do a dirty pour. And I'm just going to let you all listen to the sounds of nature while I do this. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is a dirty pour. We've mixed all the colors into a cup. We have no idea what it's going to turn out like, but it's going to be a fun process. So, I'm just going to give it a little stir. And that's it. We're going to flip. It's a dirty flip pour. So we're going to try to flip this onto the canvas and just let it pour out and go however it wants to go. Let it sit there for a few seconds so the colors will kind of mix. You can already see cells trying to pop up. Let's just let it do its thing. And you just want to roll the paint around. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else we can do. Okay. Okay, so there's a little clump of paint. Better get that out of there. Oh, that looks fantastic. So these little corners here, I'm just gonna let's see. Are we finished? I don't know. Well, I really like this design right here. I like this, what's going on right here. We got some cool cells here. I like this little ribbon. So it's hard to decide when it's finished. I like it. I think I'm gonna leave it. Just now, it's gonna take a really long time to dry, so you need to leave. If you do this, you need to leave it in a place where it will be undisturbed for at least probably 24 hours. But what I'll do is just let the paint sit for a while, and then I'm gonna move it someplace, because if I leave it outside, it has a tendency to get bugs in it. So here, we don't want that. So as this paint sits, cells will probably pop up. You can tell it's a very messy process, but it's a lot of fun. This is something you can do with your kids. If you do this, I hope you enjoy. Oh, and I did this on a textured canvas that I'd already mixed with gesso and sand. So it looks like some kind of nebula or a galaxy. It's pretty cool. I'm wondering if I should get the torch. Yeah, what would it hurt? Be right back. Okay, so here's just a little torch. Be careful if you try this. I don't really recommend it, but I'm doing it outside. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.